Hello everyone! Today I have decided to create some videos of me explaining certain important concepts. I'm going to talk about this paper, Strategic Business Reporting, and I'm going to focus on this technical article called Using the Business Model of a Company to Help Analyze its Performance. I believe you know that certain questions designed by the examiner are based on technical article. If the student spends some time to read and understand technical articles, they can answer the question easily. Back to this article. I believe the most important question that you will ask is, what is a business model? To answer this question, we have to refer to integrated reporting. Under this integrated reporting framework, business model is a company system of transforming their input via their activities and then it becomes output. In short, it just means that business model is what is your input, what is your processes, and what is your output. We are talking about the resources, the capital that the company have. And through this input, the business is going to conduct certain activity, then end up they will have their final output, which is their final product and final services. Do take note that when we talk about integrated reporting, we want a holistic view of a business. So we also have to talk about things like what is the byproduct, whether are there any waste that you have created, whether are there any pollution that the business has created. A company business model is a tool that they use to fulfill their purpose. If your purpose is to earn more money, your business model is going to help you to achieve this purpose. Ultimately, we want to communicate how do we create value, not just in the short term, but also the medium term and the long term. The question that we want to address in this article is that, is the investor interested in business model? Specifically this question, why do we need to disclose information on business model? The article talk about a few things. So for example, they say, we disclose information on business model because it provides investor or other user of the financial statement on the ability of the business to adapt to changes. In terms of changes, I believe you can agree that the world nowadays is unpredictable with a lot of major changes happening. Specifically, if you talk about the time now, we are under the COVID-19 pandemic, businesses are forced to adapt to the changes as a result of lockdown measures implemented by government all around the world. So having an understanding of business model allows the investor to predict how a business can adapt to these changes. It also provides certain context and understanding of the other information in the annual report. With this information, the investor can understand the performance of the business better. For example, maybe the investor realized that this year's profit has dropped. Understanding business model would help them to appreciate the factors that affects the low profitability. Ultimately, we want the investor to trust us. We want to reduce our risk. Hence, we disclose information on business model. As part of SBR, it is very important that you know what does the investor want to know. Because in every sitting, SBR will definitely has a question on investor focused question. As far as business model is concerned, investor would want information about business model. For your information, management can choose to disclose this information perhaps in the management commentary. What do we need to tell the investor? We have to tell them, look, this is the current market trend. What is our response? In short, investors want to know what is our business strategy. What are the risks and opportunities available in the external market? We are trying to communicate how do we make our money and what is the value that we generate. Perhaps the investor will want to know the KPI of the business. It helps them to be in the better position to assess the financial position and performance. Why is it that investors want to assess our financial position and performance? The reason is simple. Investor provides us with financing, money. If we want investor to invest in our company, we have to give them what they want. This concludes the first part of this article, in which I believe you would have known about business model, you would have learned about why is it that the investor want to know about business model. You should read more at this link. So I'm going to see you again in the next video. Thank you.